So the second question that people had is how to determine what hoop size you need for the design that you're in. So if you notice on the new LCD screens here, if you look, you have an actual inch diagram here. The left side is going to be your total width on total height on top. The bottom is going to be your total width on bottom. If you come up here, you can see that it's split in half for you, so you can see half increments. You can change this from inches to millimeters. Once you know how wide your design is how tall it is, that's whenever you can go in here into your frame. You can go to hoop to select the size of hoop that you need for this design. So just remember that these are in centimeter increments, not millimeters or inches. So you will have to do some conversion if you need to understand how big these hoops are. So for our flat designs, we have our 30 by 30 square hoop, our 24 by 24 square hoop. We have our 30 by 15 rectangular hoop and our 15 by 30 rectangular hoop. These SRFs are all your round hoops down here at the bottom. So you should have a 9 centimeter hoop to an 18 centimeter hoop in the round section. You're going to need to determine how big your actual garment size is, as well as your digitized design size, before you actually choose which one of these that you're going to be running on. If you're going to be running on caps, we go to the quick change cap system. We are going to do cap wide 2. That is what we need. Depending on the machine also depends on which hoop you select for your caps. So you would probably want to go ahead and confirm with us which machine you have before changing it into your cap mode, so that way we can direct you in the right direction. As far as hoop selection goes, that really all depends on what kind of garment you're wanting to run on, as well as what style of embroidery you are doing. So just remember that whenever you go to select your hoop size, you need to double check your width and your height of your design before you select your hoop. And always, always, always make sure to do either an outline or a trace before you start embroidering. That is the most key factor in order to be able to make sure that you don't break any needles or have any damage done to any hoops from hitting them whenever you're running your design.